Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to make evening painting. Now for this, first we will need light gray color. First we will need light gray color for the sky, and also in the middle by applying the tape, and same color will be used for the water below, and orange color will be used below it, and orange color will be used for the water. Now we will make the branches in the middle away from the black color. Now make 3 or 4 nearby trees from black color. Now to make the leaves of this tree, we will use a rough brush and tape like this. We will also use black color for the leaves. After the leaves, we will make the branches of this tree with black color like this. In this way, all the branches of the trees will be made. Now we will make small trees under the big trees. Next, we will make some trees with green color and some plants with black color. After the some plants, now we will make the bottom soil. To make the bottom soil, we will need brown color, and also we will make small plants on it. And to make the grass, we will need to use a little yellow color in it so that the color of the clay becomes a little lighter, now showing too much dark ground, and together we will make small mountains with black color. Under the big trees, now we will make small trees and plants. To make plants, we will need light green color, and we will also make grass on it. Now we will shade the big tree with light yellow color like this, and make some small plants under the tree. Next, we will make waves on the water with the yellow color, and we will use the same color to give a little shade on the sky and mix it well. So this painting is ready now. You can see. If you like, then subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.